Choosing the right auto repair shop can mean the difference between a smooth ride and endless headaches. Conrad's Tire Express offers multiple locations but has mixed customer service reviews that often frustrate clients. Customers frequently report upselling tactics at Conrad's, leaving them feeling pressured and confused about necessary repairs. Cleveland Auto Repair stands out by treating you like family and delivering personalized attention to every client. Unlike Conrad's, Cleveland Auto Repair excels in complex repairs, including diagnostics and specialized services for any make. Their transparent pricing model ensures no hidden fees and superior service without corporate markups. Hear what others say. Many customers rave about Cleveland Auto Repair's honesty and expertise compared to competitors. In side-by-side pricing comparisons, Cleveland offers substantial savings on services like oil changes and exhaust repairs. Instead of oppressive wait times, Cleveland Auto Repair prioritizes quick service without compromising on quality or care. Make the switch today for a hassle-free auto repair experience and keep your vehicle running at its best.